Howdy TPDDL fans, and happy What Wednesday. If you thought your crops were already having a hard time with this summer heat, then you are not going to be thrilled with today's what question. You'll understand why when we answer, what is charcoal rot? Charcoal rot is caused by the fungus macrophomina. The causal fungus is soil-borne. It likes a variety of hosts including alfalfa, corn, important legume crops such as bean, peanut, and soybean, and members of the cucurbit family. It is also referred to as dry weather wilt and summer wilt since the development of the disease favors hot, dry weather. The name charcoal rot actually comes from the way the symptoms present themselves. In the advanced stages of the disease, randomly distributed, abundant, tiny black fungal structures called microsclerotia can be seen beneath the bark or epidermis or in the internal portions of roots, stem nodes, and basal stems. These black bodies resemble a sprinkling of finely powdered, you guessed it, charcoal. Prior to harvesting, cucurbits may show a water-soaked lesion near the soil line that girdles the vine several inches up the stem. Amber-colored droplets exude out of the affected area and eventually dry to a dark brown. The fungus is believed to infect mostly senescing tissue and/or stressed plants. There are no realistic controls for charcoal rot other than to attempt to manage irrigation and soil moisture so as to minimize the development of stress in susceptible host plants. Suggestions include long rotations between crops, irrigation and fertilization for vigorous growth, cultural practices that preserve soil moisture and maximize spacing between plants to avoid stress of overcompetition, and any other cultural practice that helps to avoid the early senescence of stalk tissue. All of these help reduce the severity of this disease. Highly resistant cultivars are not yet available. A happy plant is a healthy plant, so remember to provide your plants with enough water to keep them happy during those hot and dry periods. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next week. Bye.